I'm Kyle Hansen with Salford Group Territory Rep. We're out here north of Pasco, Washington, having a demo day with the Salford 5200, 2200, and our new Halo high-speed disc. We're seeing a lot of customers out here digging around in the dirt, checking out what our equipment does versus kind of the competition out there.
Josh Ray with SS Equipment, sales manager, general manager for the dealership. We're out demoing the Salford products, which we've been a dealer for a few years, and really finding that each tool's got its place and can get a lot of different options out of those. Getting a lot of good customer feedback from it.
Jordan Reed. I farm here in Pasco, Washington, the Columbia Basin, and we raise potatoes, carrots, and peas and sweet corn. It was interesting coming out and seeing 3 different pieces of equipment running that I'd never seen before. You know, it's neat to see someone else's take on how it works and how it's supposed to be done. We're always looking to find a better way to do it and a more efficient way to do it. And I think, you know, that lines of equipment out here, you know, may have some fit in our operation in the future.
They're a really well-built machine. You know, we're seeing a lot of customers really impressed with some of the results that with this, you know, minimal passes. It's a real opportunity to cut down on the costs of your tillage work and get some better results as well.
The best way for these guys to kind of see what our equipment does is to get it out in the field and dig around in the dirt. We've got a couple of sales guys with soil compaction tests just showing that using the Independent series, it does a good job of cutting down on the compaction out in the field. You get better water infiltration, you get better nutrient absorption. The best way to show anything is just to get out and prove what it does.